This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and confirming email and 2FA so your bookings are secure. Once done, add a payment method, card or PayPal, and set one as default to speed checkout. Next, enter destination, travel dates, and passenger count so search results match your needs. Make sure location services are on for local recommendations. This gets you from 0 to a tailored results list fast and explains why each field reduces irrelevant options and saves time. You now refine choices using filters for price, ratings, and refundable options so results match budget and flexibility. This reduces post-booking headaches. Once you find a match, compare transit and lodging side by side, then open the three-dot menu to review fare rules and baggage allowances. Knowing rules prevents surprises. During booking, add seats, upgrades, or travel insurance in the flow. It's faster than later. Make sure to review total cost and confirmation details before final payment to avoid mistakes. You finish by reviewing the itinerary and downloading e-tickets. Save them to your phone wallet for offline access. Once booked, enable push notifications for check-in, gate changes, and refunds so you receive critical updates immediately. If something goes wrong, a missing ticket or wrong fare, use the in-app chat, attach screenshots, and request an agent callback. This creates a traceable record and speeds resolution. Finally, confirm refunds or credits, and check your payment method to ensure refunds process correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.